you ready to practice the piano today? I'm ready. I'm going to put out my song cards first. And here I go. Deb Cahora. Thumb on D, pinky on A. Do, so. La 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 la. Sing with me, children, sing with me. I love you and you love me. Sing with me, children, sing with me. I love you and you love me. You can play it with one hand, the other hand, or both hands. Stars shining. Left hand, right hand. Stars shining, stars shining. Number one, that's thumb. Number two, that's the pointer. Number three, tall man. Number four, that's ring. Number five, stars shining by and by. Oh yes, by and by. Listen for bells. This week we're doing the whole song. Bells in the steeple to ring. Ding, 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 ding. Now we're practicing the patterns. Do, 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 so, so, so. Play it with me. Do, 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 so, so, so. Do, 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 so. Do, 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 so. So, mi, do, so, mi, do. So, mi, do, so, mi, do. So, 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 do. Can you add the D and the A? Listen for bells in the steeple to ring. Ding, 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 ding. Who's that? Who's that? Tapping at the window. You could do it with the other hand too. Tapping at the window. Who's that? Knocking at the door. And then the other hand answers. I am tapping at the window. I am knocking at the door. And finally, mouse, mousy. La 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 la. Ooh, I sang the wrong song. Mouse.